don't know why I look like this, but this lipstick, I got it from Walmart, and it's the Maybelline Super Stay Matte, but it has like the coffee in it, so it smells so good. It smells like chocolate, to be honest, but it got coffee in it, so like I don't know what it's giving right now, but I'm gonna try to do like a little day in the life vlog. It's Sunday. I usually stay home on Sundays and don't really do much on Sundays, so yeah, this vlog will probably go up on February 1st. I don't know, but today I need to get some stuff together, okay? Like my candles, they haven't really been selling that much, and you know, my business page is kind of lacking, and that's because I haven't really been putting in the effort, so we're gonna do that today. So I have PR, like I can't believe I'm saying that, but I did my nails. I need to upload that. Wait, I did upload that video. Dang, I uploaded a video on my nails, and I don't know how it's doing. I don't really look at my views, because if I look at my views, then that'll make me kind of like discouraged. So yeah, I got PR, so I gotta review that today. And I got the package here. I've been getting a lot of PR for gel nail polish. It's because I've been doing swatch videos, and you know, I love doing swatch videos because I love looking at pretty colors, you know what I'm saying? So I've been doing a lot of swatch videos lately, and I got some more PR, so I'm about to be filming that today probably. So yeah. Okay, so I'm filming on Snapchat because like my camera is charging and I don't have no battery, so I'm just filming here because I look good on here. I could just use my regular camera, but it'd be making me look crusty, rusty, dusty, okay? I like how my actual camera look. But anyways, here goes the PR. I'm gonna open it. They sent it to my address, but it's from Amazon. Like all the nail stuff that's from Amazon, so probably gonna... Okay, so this is the gel polish. I know this is gonna be tiny, but this is Rosaline. I know y'all have heard of that before on Amazon, but they sent me some stuff to review, so I'm gonna be filming a video on that today. Yeah, I got this set from Shein, and it is so cute. It's like a lounge set, and it is so pretty. Oh my god. But anyways, y'all, oh, I look so pretty right here. Like, y'all, look at how I did my baby hairs. Like, I did that. Okay, but y'all, I got some new scents for my business, like, and they smell so good. So this one's gonna be a banger. It's like mango and coconut milk, and y'all, this smells so good. So I might make some wax melts today or some candles. I think I might make some candles today. I gotta design the logos, so I might film myself designing logos. It's gonna be a long day job. I got white sage and lavender, and it smells like white sage and lavender. Like, it smells so relaxing. Last but not least, I got a peach fragrance, and y'all, it smells so good. Like, I just love peachy fragrances. So these are going to be like spring scents because it's about to be February. I'm going to post this in February, but it's going to be February and the spring is right around the corner, baby. So yeah, so I'm going to experiment with these today. Like, I know this one, I have people asking for the lavender, so I need to hurry up and make that. Okay, so I'm going to show you my wax notes because they are so cute. Like, they're so simplistic and cute and simple. Like, when I be designing my logos, I don't be trying to do the most, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just want something simple that could go with like any kind of decor, because when you make candles, it's all about decor, because it's got to look good where it's at. Okay, here we have sandalwood rose, and it's just a pretty packaging. And then I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a light pink color. I just put one like wax dye in here, and it got this, well, I think I put two. No, I put two of them in here, and it got this pretty light pink color, and I think this would be a perfect Valentine's scent. So if you're looking for a Valentine's Day gift, I have priority mail shipping, so if you order it now, it'll be there with the quickness. Okay, I have sea salt and orchid, and it's like a beachy floral fragrance. Like, you know, I live in Florida, so I be at the beach all the time. Well, not really, but the beach right over there. So we got this sea salt and orchid. It smells so beachy, like it reminds me of the beach. And it's hot right now. Well, is it hot? It was hot yesterday. You could have went to the beach, and it's January, it's winter. So boom, that's what it's like living in Florida. So boom, we got mahogany teak wood. Now I'm almost sold out of this. This fragrance is super popular. Like, it is so popular. And I got like 4 more of these left. I might make some more. I think I gotta buy some more dye though, because the dye that I used in these was like a sample pack. I know y'all heard that win, but it was like a sample pack, and I only got 2 more dye chips left. So yeah, that's that. And it's like a pretty gray. It's like a manly fragrance. Like, if you like men would love this fragrance. So if I have any male viewers, y'all, mahogany teak wood is a masculine fragrance. Like, it smells like cologne. It smells so good. It smells like, what's that car air freshener name? Black ice. That's what it's giving. Okay, that is what it's giving. And last but not least, I know y'all see that weed back there, and that Xbox. I still got my Wii, and that's an Xbox 360, child. I ain't got no more Xbox. I got a PlayStation 4 in my room, but I really want the PS5, and I almost got it, but I was like, I didn't want it right now. Like, I don't want it right now. Like, I could have bought it, but I didn't want it right now. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. But anyways, last but not least, I got Tutti Frutti, and Tutti Frutti is Fruit Loopy. Okay, it smells like Fruit Loops. Like, it's giving Fruit Loops, and it smells just like Fruit Loops. So you pour in a bowl and eat it with the milk and cereal. That's what it smells like. It smells so good. Y'all need to buy these. Like, literally, I burnt it in my wax melt warmer, and it had the whole house smell like Fruit Loops. Like, it is so strong, and this is my favorite. Okay, but yes, Fruit Loops, like, this is my favorite. And I think what I'm gonna do one day is I'm gonna put like little Fruit Loops, but it's gonna be wax. It's gonna be made of wax. So it's gonna be like little Fruit Loop circles in the bottom, but it's gonna be wax. It's not gonna be actual Fruit Loops. So I need to do that. I got some molds for that, but it's gonna take a long time trying to do that. Okay, so yeah, that's my little wax melt review. I made all these myself, designed the logos. I just did like a simple color so you can like match it with your decor. Like, this one would go so pretty in here, or the mahogany teak wood. It's like a whole bunch of dark blues. Yeah, this one would go perfect in here to just sit up like on something. You know, you could just burn it. But yeah, I need to wash some clothes, so I'm gonna take you along with me to wash some clothes. Hello everyone, I am back. I have been working on my logo. I wanted to show you, but like I wasn't sure of what I was going to do and how long it was going to take. But yeah, I want to just ask y'all a question, because I was going to try to print out some logos today for my smaller candles. If you don't know, I have like a smaller white jar candle. Like, it's glass, but it has like a white top, but it's like smaller than my other candles. And I wanted to create another logo for it because it's smaller, and I don't want to use the same logo as my bigger candles. So like I want the smaller candle jars to like mimic my wax melts, because both of them are like smaller options of what I'm selling. So I created a logo, and I don't know, I feel like it's missing something. I feel like it's not contrasted right, and I'm just going to show you. But I'm still planning on making the candles today. I don't know how many I'm going to make. I probably need to order some more jars because I don't have enough. I don't even know how much I'm going to make of each jar. I want to say I ordered 24. So I had to make 6 of each. And I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the logo. I really love the font, but I just feel like it's missing. I want it to be as simple as possible. I don't want that much on the logo, so I'm gonna just show you. Okay, so this is my computer screen. It is huge. Okay, it's very much big, but this is the logo. It's very simple, like mango and coconut milk. That's the fragrance. And it's gonna go on. Let me show you the jar. Okay, so this is the jar. It's like a very small jar, and obviously it looks big on the computer screen, but it's not really that big. I'm just zoomed in. But this is the jar, and I really want it to be simple. And I don't know, like I feel like it's missing something. I don't know if I should make the font white. I don't know if I should add more wording. I don't know if I should add like a design or something. But what design can I put, you know? So I'm gonna just hold off on this. I'm gonna upload this, so maybe y'all can give me your opinion. For whoever watches, just comment down below on what you think should be added. Okay, but yeah, as of right now, I think I'm going to make some wax melts. I'm not sure. Maybe like some samples for my, like whenever somebody orders something, I want to add like a sample in there so they can like, oh, this smells good, I want a full size. So I'm thinking I might do that today. So yeah, let's just go in there and do that, because if I don't do it now, I'm not going to do it. So yeah. Okay, but if I don't come back in this video, I hope you enjoyed this little mini a day in my life. Like, believe it or not, those candles took all day. Just waiting for the wax to melt, then waiting for it to cool down, and then waiting to pour the fragrance oil in, and then you gotta pour the candle, and then you gotta do the same process over and over 4 times. So I made 4 new fragrances. I'm still debating on what I want to do for my label, so that's why I didn't put the label on the candle, because I don't know what I want to do. Like, I want it to be simple, so maybe I just need to add like a border, a design, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had to film my PR because I have a deadline, so I need to hurry up and film that now so I can just edit it next week. It'll be up Tuesday probably, and this video right here will be up Monday, because I'm trying to diversify. I don't know if that's the right word, y'all. I'm trying to diversify my content. Like, I just been posting straight up nail videos, and I want this to be a lifestyle video channel. So I need to put this vlog up next, and then I'm gonna go back to nails. Then I might do something else. I don't know, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, I think I have a video too that I need to edit, and it's like what I eat in a day. So I might upload that next week too, after this vlog. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please check out my website, www.BreoniaLafaye.com. I'm going to be adding some new fragrances soon, but I have some wax melts that I showed you earlier. They're only $8, okay? I put them on my website, so feel free to check that out, okay? And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. Comment down below about the logo, what you think I should add, child. And I will see you in my next video.
It's on you.